Okay, so I'm putting together this little instructional video on how to do one and two-step conversions. And sometimes people ask, how do I know if it's a one-step or a two-step conversion? Well, when you read the problem statement, right, if it asks you to convert one thing to another thing, if you look on this handout, which you'll have for your test, right, if it's a one-step conversion, then this thing, hours, has to be able to be related directly to days through one equivalent statement. So, all right, we look down here, we've got days equals so many hours. So it only takes one equivalent statement to go from days to hours. That means it's a one-step conversion. All right, let's say we wanted to go from something like, I don't know, how about kilometers to centimeters? Okay, nowhere on this sheet can you relate directly from kilometers to centimeters. All right, so we'd have to go kilometers to meters, and then we can go from meters to centimeters. Okay, you can also do three steps. You could go from kilometers to meters, meters to centimeters, centimeters to millimeters. All right, I'm not making you do that yet. We will later on. All right, it's either going to be one step or two step. If there's something on this sheet that relates, say, seconds to hours, right? We can't go directly from seconds to hours. We go seconds to minutes, minutes to hours. Two steps. All right, third one, 2,000 pounds to grams. All right, let's see. You've got pounds to grams, one step right there. Okay. And then we've got 87 feet to centimeters. All right, let's see. Feet is here. We can go feet to yards, but that doesn't help us out. We can go feet to inches. All right, that's the first step. We can go inches to centimeters. All right, you can go inches to centimeters. You can go centimeters to inches. All right. You can go either way. Okay. All right. So let's go ahead and do this first one. 36 hours to days. Always write down the thing you're starting with. Okay. That's the very first step. You go ahead and draw a conversion factor blank. Right. And then I look on here and we said we can go directly from hours to days. That's one step. Right. Whatever is here, the unit that's right there, has to go on the bottom. Okay. So you put hours down here. Days up top equals, you're going to get days. Okay, why does this thing times all this jazz equal days? Because this hour and that hour cancel. Just like doing 5 divided by 5 goes to 1. All right, multiply anything by 1. 1 times a day is a day. All right, that's just the way things work in math and algebra. So make sure that, all right, we look at our equivalent statement again. 1 day equals 24 hours. So put 1 day over 24 hours. Right? 36 divided by 24 is 1.5. Okay. Now we can actually do this backwards. What if we wanted to go from days back to hours? Well, we could just put, I'll leave a little space here, okay? This is a separate thing. 1.5 days. Now I want to convert that to hours. Right, now day has to go on the bottom because it was there. Okay, whatever you have here goes on the bottom of the first blank. Hours. All right, now the 24 hours goes on top and the 1 day goes on bottom. So you see this conversion factor and this conversion factor, they're just inverses of each other. Okay? So the days cancel out. 1.5 times 24 is 36 hours. Right? So you can convert hours to days or days to hours using the same equivalent statement. Okay, same equivalent statement, two different conversion factors. All right, okay. I've just got a couple minutes before the bell rings. Convert 480 seconds to hours. All right, we want to go from seconds to hours. We always write down what we start with first. All right, then we look on our page and we say, is there anything that relates directly from seconds to hours? There's not one equivalent statement. You got to use two. So you go seconds to minutes, minutes to hours. All right, let me see that. Okay, so I'm going to use two steps. Equal sign, my hours go over here. S has to go to the bottom. Seconds has to go to the bottom, so those two will cancel out. Hours has to go on top here. And then the thing we're going through, right? Seconds to minutes, minutes to hours. Minutes will go both on the top of the first one and the bottom of the second one. All right, now you fill in the numbers from the equivalent statements. so that the bottom value and the top value are the same, right? 60 seconds equals 1 minute. Okay, if you put 60 up here, you'd be saying that 60 minutes is 1 second. That's not true. Okay, 60 minutes is 1 hour. Okay, so we do 480, divide by 60, divide by 60. Remember, every number on top is multiplication, every number on bottom is division. So this times this times this, divide by this, divide by this, it equals, you'll get 0.133 repeating hours. All right, great. Let's do pounds to grams. Okay, again, we always write down what we're starting with, right? Now I can look on here and I can say, whoa, I can go straight from pounds to grams. Fantastic, let's do it. Okay, there's the bell. I'm gonna do this 1 pound to grams. Gonna give me grams, right? Oh, I should cancel my units, sorry. Up here on number 2, your seconds cancel, your minutes cancel, and you get hours left over. All right, same thing down here. Pounds cancel, you get grams. 1 pound, we said, is 454 grams. If you don't remember, just look on the page, right? It's right there. You'll have this handout for the test. All right, 2,000 times 454 will be 908,000 grams. Okay, we'll do one last one real quick. 87 feet. We're going to convert that into centimeters. We already said we can't go directly from feet to centimeters, but we can go feet to inches, inches to centimeters. So 2 steps, centimeters goes over here. The feet you start with has to go to the bottom of the first blank, so they'll cancel out. That one has to go on top of the second. Okay, and then inches that we're going through goes here and here, and they cancel each other out. Okay, now the units cancel, but your numbers don't cancel. We still got to put our numbers in, right? 1 foot, we should know, is 12 inches. 2.54 centimeters is 1 inch. Okay, so the top value and the bottom value are the same length. Top value and the bottom value are the same length. All right, 87 times 12 times 2.54, divide by 1, divide by 1, equals 2,652 centimeters. Okay, and I rounded that off. All right, I hope this video helps you. If you still have questions, watch it again, maybe work through some example problems on your own. Have a great day.